Alarm to phone 2-1 is phone 2-2 responding also.
Ready. This is Airport 5. I'm going to go ahead and send command. Command will be mobile. We'll be using gate 25. All units report to gate 25, and AVCOM will be their escort.
I copy. RF-15 will be command mobile using gate 25. All units en route respond to 5803 South Austin Road, Mesa Gateway Airport. Report to gate 254 and escort from AVCOM. We have reports of a E545 landing runway 12 center with mechanical failure. Arrival ETA 20 minutes. Multiple electrical failures as well. 2 souls, 5,600 pounds of fuel.
Engine 215 to command.
Command, go.
We're on the airfield. We just pulled into gate 25. Where would you like us?